the microwave. The introductory part of the microwave we will see here in step by step. Basically, microwave is split by two forms, which is called as micro and wave. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. The wave of 10 to the power minus 6 means the microwave. The name suggests as the wavelength. If the wavelength lambda is in the micrometers range, then we can say that this is called microwave. As you know that the wavelength and frequency has some relation. So according to this relation, the frequency can be give some wavelength. So the microwave can be defined as the wave which is in the micrometer wavelength. As you know that the frequency and wavelength both are inversely proportional together. If the wavelength lambda is in the micrometer, very small range, then the frequency is in very high range. You can say that megahertz or gigahertz. The frequency in megahertz or gigahertz. So this is very high frequency. So if the lambda is very small, micrometer, the frequency should be very high. Then you can say that the microwave is a type of wave whose frequency is very high. So microwave, as the name suggests, with respect to the wavelength. As the microwave suggests a name with respect to the lambda, means wavelength. If the wavelength is in micrometer range, so that's why it is called as microwave. So if the lambda is in micrometer, very small, so frequency should be very high, because frequency and wavelength both are inversely proportional to each other. So the microwave has very high frequency range in the gigahertz. The frequency range of microwave is approximate 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz. It's very high frequency. This frequency range is for microwave. Rather than that, the infrared rays, visible rays, X-rays, gamma rays, these frequency is more higher than that. We are going to talk about only the microwave. So what is the frequency range? 300 to 300 gigahertz. So in between that frequency range, whatever the waves are there, it is known as the microwave. If you want to communicate by mobile phone, one mobile to another mobile, there should be a frequency range between this to this. If we consider about the telecommunication, like TV, radio, broadcasting, these things also has some frequency range which is 300 to 300 gigahertz, because these all things are depends upon the microwave. So this is the frequency range. Next thing is that what is frequency? Frequency is inversely proportional to the wavelength, as you know. So if proportionality constant reduced, the c constant, which is the speed of light. So f is equal to c1 by lambda, or you can say that c, the speed of light, is equal to frequency into wavelength. C, how much? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So as you know, the frequency unit is per second, cycles per second, into lambda unit is in meters. So meter, this says that meter per second. So the same unit of speed of light. You can see here speed of light is equal to the product of f into lambda, means c is a constant value. So f, frequency and wavelength multiplication, has also the constant value. That's why we can say that if the frequency increase, lambda should be decrease, because we need some constant value. If the frequency is reduced, lambda should be increased. Because of that, we need some constant value. So you can say that if frequency is increased, so wavelength should be decreased. If wavelength is in micrometer range, frequency is in very high in gigahertz range. If the wavelength is in micrometer range, so that's why it is called as microwave. So here we should know something about the electromagnetic waves. If you see the infrared rays, visible rays, microwave rays, X-rays, gamma rays, all Rays are electromagnetic waves. All are electromagnetic waves. In the next lecture, we will see some introductory part about the electromagnetic waves. What is this, how it propagates, and what are the components in electromagnetic wave, we will see in the next lecture. According to this formula, if you put the frequency in gigahertz range, the frequency is in gigahertz range, then the wavelength comes in micrometer range. So that's why it is called as microwave.